Hey, good morning everybody. It's Bill from Supreme Pressure Washing. Another beautiful day here in sunny Florida. We got 2 jobs on the books today. First one's a 2-story house. Apparently it's got a lot of mold and algae on. I haven't seen it yet, but from what they described, doesn't sound like it's too bad of a job. And then the other one is a house and driveway and pool deck. Anyway, it's a beautiful day here. Not a cloud in the sky. Rig's all ready to go. I hope everybody enjoys their day, and we'll see you at the job. Okay guys, here we are at the job now. We'll walk through and take a look. 2-story house. It's pretty bad up there. We got a lot of algae growth going on. Gutters. Yeah. Saw it come up really nice. Got another one. The front entrance way. I don't know if you all see that. It's all up and through here. Just a lot of dirt and algae, that's all. Typical, especially for this time of the year down here in Florida. Yeah. Screens, a little doggy inside. That window up there. Got a couple bees nests up there. Got some chip paint on the top. More algae along the back. Nice house though. Look at this view on the lake. It's a big lake. Anyway, so yeah, all along the top area there. Down along this side's not too bad. As you can see, this side gets all the sun, so it doesn't really get a chance to grow. But got algae growing on the roof up there, or on that window. Well, that's the job for today, so let's get to it. Okay, we're all done, just wrapping up here now. So take a look and see how she looks. Oh, much better. All that green is gone. It's out of here. Those, see the gutters there? That's all oxidation. You can see where the paint, there's just no more paint under there. Couldn't do much about that, but yeah, all that green is gone. Walkway's looking good. More green up here. Yep. Driveway. Oh, much better. A lot brighter and cleaner. Oh yeah. Yep. This side wasn't too bad, but still all that green around the windows, all that area, all that's all cleaned up and gone now. Yep. All clean and shiny. All right, well, that does it for this place. I'm gonna go get the customer, get paid, and get out of here. I want to thank you guys again for stopping by and viewing our videos. Like I said, if you subscribe, leave a comment, anything that you guys might want to see, we can make a video, show you how we do it in our business. Anyway, I hope everybody has a great day.